Fibrocartilage. One of the three cartilages is called fibrocartilage. The fibers in fibrocartilage are very apparent and are made of collagen. The cells in fibrocartilage, as in all cartilages, are called chondrocytes, and they live in little space capsules called, or spaces called lacuna. So here is a lacuna, and inside it is a chondrocyte. And here you'll see this abundance of fibers, and these are, again, collagen fibers. We're very close up here. We're at a high power. So I'm going to back us off so we can see the context of this. So this is the joint, the intervertebral disc between two vertebrae, probably in a mouse spine because these are pretty teeny. And so here's one bone, here's the adjacent bone, and here's the fibrocartilage between them. In this case, it's forming an intervertebral disc. So this is spongy bone on this side, spongy bone on that side. We'll see a little hyaline cartilage lining these because you'll recall that's at the edge of bones where they show up in joints. And I'm going to bring us in a little bit closer. And again, you'll see chondrocytes in their lacunae. And similar to the elastic cartilage, there are fibers between the widely spaced chondrocytes. Only in this case, there are more fibers, and they are of a type called collagen. So you'll see these layers of wavy collagen fibers interspersed with chondrocytes in their lacunae. We'll go in all the way again. Sometimes I think of this as looking layered like a lasagna. Here are the noodles, and this is the meat layer between it, or the spinach layer if you're a vegetarian. So again, collagen fibers.